Okay, I don't know if you can pick up too much of the snow on this camera here, but it's darn near whiteout conditions. You can not hardly see the mall except for the lights over there. That's the conditions I had to drive home and I had to go to the store and also had to go pay for the post office boxes. And I will be doing a letter opening from the request video I did of people to send letters. My daughter sent one. So, hopefully this little blizzard goes through. Oh, I learned something today too on the radio. The word blizzard is in reference to the wind rather than the amount of snow coming down. We're only supposed to get about a couple of inches of snow. So we'll see. With this wind blowing the snow around, we might have more than a couple of inches piled up here and there. Okay, well, now that you've seen the fun weather we're having here in North Dakota, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.